straight leg raise is another very basic exercise. You should only be using this in the first couple weeks. It's another way to get your quad firing and just to get you okay with moving your leg more. So to do this exercise, you're just gonna lay down on your bed, on the floor. Okay. You're gonna put your leg as straight as it can be, the other leg just comfortably bent. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do a quad set. You're going to tighten up your quad muscle as best you can, so making your leg as straight as you can. Pull your foot slightly towards you, it doesn't have to be done a lot. So tighten up, pull your foot a little bit towards you, and then keeping that nice and tight, that leg nice and straight, you're gonna lift your leg up off the table and back down. So when you come back down, you're totally gonna relax now. So totally relaxed, you tighten up again, and then you lift it up like this. And you don't have to go past the height of your other leg. Okay, it's not about how high you can do it, it's about how tight and how straight you can keep your leg. Okay, when you come back down, again, totally relax. Okay, this way it makes you fire that quad muscle again. Tighten up, lift it up. Totally relax and keep doing that. I usually have my patients do 2 sets of 10, maybe a few times a day. Again, it's just to get you used to moving your leg. Once you can do them very easily, you'll move on to more advanced exercises.